My birthday's on July 6th. That's my birthday.
We love you too.
Is that what they said?
You take two. Make sure you come watch us play.
Now, when you get home, are you going to ask your parents to bring you to a game?
Yes.
You are? Cool.
Anybody need this one?
When's your birthday?
July 10th.
All right.
Today
Cool.
is my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday. What's your name?
Alyssa.
Alyssa.
Make sure you see all three of them.
Guys, today's Alyssa's birthday.
There you go. Of course, you are very welcome.
Today's Alyssa's birthday.
Is it really?
Happy birthday, Alyssa.
Alyssa's birthday. Can I write happy birthday on your forehead? No? You sure? Can I give you this instead?